Book on the mountains.
Hey, new beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember?
Let's go.
Oh!
Bro.
I was calendar, yeah.
I hear we're getting real brazzle dazzle, huh?
It's Jurassic Park shit.
What's up?
Turning practice to perfection took some trying. Who'd have thought that I'd get my next blessing from some lines? I turned this rap shit into my profession and defied all they projections. No ceiling on what's manifested in my mind.
So Celsius is in your wallet, right?
Celsius, baby, always.
If you stick around too much with Gil, you're gonna start jerking this. Yeah. Crazy.
What about this? That straight dopamine, baby. That's straight dope. Dope.
You know those tape vlogs when they were in the car and they were taking vlogs in Europe? The Tate brothers. You don't know? The Tate episodes before they were super rich and famous. That's what I feel like right now.
We are the only one that watches Tate episode in this car, bro. Yeah. Since I was a kid, yeah.
How much did this car cost?
Good shot there from Tate!
That's what I feel like I'm doing right now. Gil, when you get famous and you make your own school, make me a professor in one of those classes. Okay?
Yeah. Nah, you're my partner, bro. You feel me? It's gonna be
And
great.
Saba is gonna be Bailey.
Good morning. You think he's Mr. Fan, Mr. Cameraman? They get to see who Bailey is, the man behind the camera. You're also a real person.
Bailey, my guy knows job. Gil, yes, Luke, you're Luke.
Who's that?
You're the cousin they pick on.
What was your name,
Bro, Raul.
Yeah, Raul. Raul asked like if I have the microphone, but he doesn't know that I have everything. Like, what do you want? Guns, cameras.
Forgive my ignorance.
Yes. Now one, two, three. It's okay. We're gonna sweat a little bit.
I don't remember when was the last time I had this kind of repetition, you know? The repetition took longer than expected, right? What would you say?
Not get caught.
1 hour. 1 hour.
No, what 1 hour? It was like 1 hour and a half.
I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted. But this is a boys' trip. No, check the messages. We're exhausted. Get the fuck out of here.
So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got
We came. This is how house looks like. To be honest, I'm pretty scared to like walk around right now because it's like, I don't know, it's 4 or 3 9 a.m. Book on the mountains. Let's go. How you feel, bro?
I feel excellent. I'm not gonna lie, I still don't fully believe that this isn't haunted. Let's just pan over there, right there. You see this? You tell me.
I only see Georgian guy with the Glock.
You could say, this is what a day in the life of a man with no excuses looks like.
Yes.
20s, 50s, 100s, I wanted his mind. Planning the purchase of buying, landing the purpose divine. Pull out a family, one roof to stack, it won't cost him a dime. Feel me, you'll see him.
3:37. We're gonna do so many things tomorrow. I'm gonna be filming all day.
He's wearing Ray-Ban. Documenting all of this, all your...
I kept telling him all night to go to sleep. They did not want to fucking listen. Yapping all night long. Just yapping.
Hey, what up, Data?
How you doing, bro?
Oh, my G. Kayatan. Nice one,
The word, what? Yeah, the whole word.
Amazing, bro. Just finished our workout. One workout. We're about to go shoot some guns. The American way. Now we're going to have some stress relieving time. Going to the shooting range to shoot some guns. The biggest gun there is.
This is freedom right here. I love it.
Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah.
Lay some hay!
Fucking freedom over here, man.
Bro, this was first time. Yeah. They're crazy, bro. They're crazy.
And if a bear comes by any chance,
We'll be prepared for it.
you will definitely be prepared. You're 6'5" for a reason. I don't have to outrun the bear. I just gotta outrun you. That's all I gotta say. It's gonna be just you and the bear. I'm letting you know that right now because I'm going right over there. I don't care how many rocks I trip on. I'm going over there. Me, Saba, and his camera. We're going right there. The bicho. Saba's camera is so heavy. Camera los pizdex.
Switch here,
Victory Michigan. The vector wasn't as heavy as his camera when he was like, yo, Raul, hold it for 2 seconds. I'm holding his camera, and I'm just like, yo, what the fuck? This shit is heavier than everything, bro. And he's holding it all day. There's just no way, bro.
Action.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Like this.
And you're in good light, too. I genuinely don't know how he does it, bro. Luca, you have no idea how heavy it is. Deep enough, he's in fog. Say it in English.
English?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We are all talking English.
Everybody's talking in English.
We're in USA, bro.
It's a great day.
God damn right. Red, white, and blue, baby. God damn right. United States
Okay, you
of
check.
America.
You check
Of America.
do that win.
That's where your 50 cal comes from. As
Okay.
a matter of fact, I still have my 50 cal.
Yeah, I do.
Right here.
I have it in my bag.
My handy dandy 50 cal.
Chop it up into little strips, please.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's Jet?
So what happened? You gotta tell the camera, bro. I was not able to record this shit. Like you gotta.
That story's staying there, bro. We have a dickhead friend that tried killing us all with a heart attack.
Oh my god, man. Whoever that guy was sounds like a piece of shit.
She doesn't know.
Bicho gam var, just putting მეგობრობას და თქვენ ახლობლობას რა და ძალიან
we have
მაგარია.
to see you though.
ვაფასებთ სიტყვით რა. იყვართ ერთმანეთი მოკლედ და გიხარიათ ერთმანეთთან დროის წარება და მაგაზე მაგარი არაფერი აქვს. ძალიან იშვიათი არის ესეთი ღირებული მეგობის ყოლა ერთ სიტყვებზე, როგორც თქვენ ყავთ ერთი სიტყვით და როგორც აფასებთ ერთმანეთს და ძალიან გაასწორა ეს ტრიპი იქნება და სიმართლე გითხრა არ წარმომიდგინე რა. მოლოდინებს გადააჭრობა და მოკლედ looking forward to ყველაფერს კარს კიდე თქვენთან ერთად რა. მადლობა დიდი.
Hey, emotional trauma with a prima donna gasping when she see the commas, laughing to conceal the monster. I feel like Kanye when he lost his daughter. When my father loved me, you were there to heal the pain I conquered. I never feel back for what that meant to me. Stars just fade physically, but never mentally is where we're people spiritually connected, turn to enemies and memories, turn to villain orange and accessories.
It's not funny, Ed.
It's okay. Oh my God, listen,
Yeah, boy.
Wat is gewoon lief, weet je dat? Yeah, through all ups and downs, sideways and backways, whatever. And we're always gonna go to the finish line together. Like how we all are. You're my brother. There's like, I can't even put words out.
Plus, you were the only one that was cool. I want you and me to take this shot, just you and me.
Wala don't, but yeah. Wala don't. Alright, man, okay. Now let's go, man. Joes! Go, man! Joes! Go, man! Joes!
That's next level planning. Everybody except you, you guys suck. My sack, especially you.
Mind to ramble still, I tell you how to do. Keep your money in your pocket, boy, and the razor your shoe.
Last time when I was recording about the vlogging about myself, it was at this year at midnight, and I couldn't continue vlogging about myself because Gio is my client, and I wanted to spend my time filming him. I always try to find clients and be with the people that likes to go crazy adventures, and this trip was amazing. I was not expecting to have this much fun, to be honest, but the guys are so cool and I'm looking forward to making a lot of content. I'm so excited because of the fact that I managed to finally start my YouTube channel.